Good morning, everyone. I am delighted to introduce you to the Africa report for MobileRemit, which is a brand new released report from IFAD. My name is Frédéric Ponsot. I'm a senior technical specialist on remittances, diaspora, and inclusive finance. I'm working for IFAD at the financing facility for remittances. This is my great pleasure to present you that report during this special International Day for Family Remittances 2022. The MobileRemit Africa report is an important piece that is brought by IFAD to the overall remittance sectors. First of all, we need to underscore the fact that mobile remittances are a development and a business opportunity. For development, it is worth it mentioning that international mobile remittances costs are aligned with SDG target 10C at 3% of the equivalent of $200 amount. Moreover, mobile remittances can increase access in rural areas, leveraging on the capillarity of mobile money agent beyond brick and mortar traditional cash points. And last but not least, mobile international remittances can bring value and customers to the broader digital financial system. Still, as of now, mobile remittances only represent 3% of global flows, and only 40% of mobile money providers are offering international remittances. It means that there are still some opportunities around international mobile remittances and some friction in the market that can be removed. This is exactly the aim of MobileRemit. MobileRemit is a tool for both the private and the public sector to address those frictions that are impeding the development of mobile remittances. The MobileRemit report provide an overview of market intelligence on Africa market with a focus on 7 specific countries. These 7 specific countries are part of the PRIME project, which is financed by the European Union and covers the entire continent with specific focus on countries like Ghana. The report is made of, is backed by an index for covering 45 countries, which allows for comparison across countries. This MobileRemit index is targeted to measure the level of country preparedness for mobile remittances. It combines regulatory, market readiness, and inclusiveness variables to attribute a score. The sources to build that index are made of national database and global database. This is also to value the work that is done by central banks in Africa. In Ghana, the score is very high at 89 out of a maximum of 100, which make Ghana 4th highest in Africa. I will drive you through the different pillars that make that index and the different scores that have been achieved by Ghana for each of those pillars, starting with the possibility to receive remittances through e-money, which is permitted by legislation in Ghana. So the score is perfect, 100. Second pillar is market participation, which measures the RSP that are active in the market of mobile remittances, which is the case in Ghana, especially at the receiving end. Third pillar is on enabling environment. The regulatory framework is conducive in Ghana. There's still the lack of flexible KYC, and transaction limit for mobile money account holds back from a higher score. The transaction limits have been removed during the crisis, which might be continued over time. The fourth pillar on consumer protection reach a perfect score of 100. Indeed, consumer funds are optimally safeguarded with an optimal combination of security of deposit, the possibility to earn interest on deposits, and mobile money account. So this is a quite unique combination in the whole African continent. The inclusion environment, which measures the level of financial inclusion and mobile money uptake as a conducive enabler for the uptake of mobile remittances, is, let's say, a bit affected by the fact that even though the mobile money uptake is very high, this is partially offset by some gender gaps and rural gaps affecting mobile money account ownership if we compare this service to other financial services, which leads to a score of 71. Still, Ghana is really on the top quintile of African countries, and this is a model in terms of environment to foster international mobile money remittances. As a conclusion, the key takeaways, with an uptake, very high uptake of mobile money, Ghana is well positioned to take advantage of mobile-enabled international remittances. This goes without saying, given the analysis I've just made of the market. However, the effect of the recent electronic payment taxation may impede the growth of mobile remittances. In general, taxes, especially when they are paid by the recipient, which will be the case, create some, let's say, distortion in the market and increase a certain reluctance to use mobile money services, as it has been shown in different countries. So it has to be observed. And last, by streamlining the mobile remittances value chain, especially in the middle mile, and removing, let's say, the middleman, and opening up further the outbound market for mobile money providers, could lower the price for mobile remittances as a whole. Thank you very much for your attention, and I invite you to read the MobileRemit Africa report, and of course, especially take a look at the Ghana country profile. Thank you so much, and have a very nice International Day for Family Remittances celebration.